Hey friends, welcome back to my channel where we have party decorations for all occasions. Make sure you remember my new upload day on Fridays. And today we have a girls baby shower theme. Baby showers are so much fun and they're year round. If you know someone that's having a girl or you're having a girl, please stay tuned and watch this video because I have some great ideas for you. And here's the decorations. Let's blow up some balloons. And here I am stringing the balloons. It makes it so much easier to hang on the wall. And these are balloon boxes that comes with letters that spell out baby, and it adds so much fun to the decor. And I'm putting one together for the first time, and as you'll see, I struggle a little bit, but eventually I'll figure it out. Okay friends, so now I'm blowing up the balloons for the baby boxes. I tried to blow them up with the balloon pump, but I think the balloons were too small and I couldn't really get them blown up, so I'm just blowing them up manually. And now I'm just simply adding the balloons to the boxes. Okay, let's get started. We're putting it all together now. So I'm using tape to hang up the curtain fringe backdrop, and that way it makes it easier for me to reuse it for another time. Now let's hang up that balloon banner. It's so much easier to hang with the string. I'm just using tape. That way you can just pull the string and just tape it up to the wall. Okay friends, now let's make a balloon flower. We use a balloon clip and it's really simple. Once you have the balloon tied, you're just taking the balloons and putting them through the slits. You just go all the way around. You can either do 4 or 5 balloons, and then at the end you just add the final balloon through the middle. Okay, so to hang the flower balloons on the wall, what I do is take a piece of ribbon and then I just put it through the balloon clip and I tie the string. And then once I tie the string, I just cut off the extra and then I just hang it onto a tack on the wall. So now I'm going to put together the pom-poms. It does take a lot of work. It could be a little tedious, but I would say give it a try. You just have to take each piece of paper apart little by little and shape it as you go along. And you just do this on both sides to fill it in. And usually there's a string that you can just tie, and once you tie it, it makes it easy to hang onto the wall with the tack. And for the fans, I'm just going to use a paper clip to hold them together. The girl baby shower decorating kit had a lot of cutouts in it, so I just went through them. I just found a couple things I was going to use from it to add to my decorations. The first look, the way that it turned out with the fans, how they were arranged, so I just changed it up a little bit. I just moved the fans around and moved the baby boxes into the middle, and I like this look so much better. Comment below and let me know which look you like better. And here are the final results for the girls' baby shower decorations.
Baby saw something when if somebody has a baby, then they shower it. Present! Oh!
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos. Check out my Will Miss You video from last week and have a royal day.